Wait, you have clicked on the right video. YouTube did not show you this video randomly. There was a reason behind it. It was God's will. God knows that you are struggling financially, and through this video, He has given you an opportunity to make money. So don't skip this video. If you skip it, it will be your loss. Why? Because in this video, I am going to tell you such ways of making money that by using them, you can earn thousands of dollars every month. And I truly don't want you to miss any step. Just focus on my voice. Ignore whatever is happening on the screen and give your full attention to what I am saying. In 2026, the way people make money online in the United States has completely changed, and AI is at the center of this shift. Right now, thousands of beginners are using simple AI tools to generate real income streams, ranging from $500 to over $10,000 per month, without needing a college degree or years of experience. The reason this works so well is because many of these opportunities fall into high RPM niches like finance, technology, and business, where advertisers are willing to pay $15, $30, or even $50 per 1,000 views. That means even a small audience can generate serious revenue if the strategy is right. In this video, you're going to learn 20 real and proven ways to make money online with AI in 2026, and these are methods that are already working in the US market right now. The first method is AI content writing, which is one of the easiest entry points for beginners. Businesses in the US constantly need blog posts, website content, and ad copy, and with AI tools, you can create high-quality articles in minutes. Freelancers are charging anywhere from $20 to $100 per article, and if you focus on higher PM topics like finance or sales, you can charge even more. Many people scale this into a full-time income of $2,000 to $5,000 per month just by consistently delivering content to clients. The second method is YouTube automation using AI, which has exploded in popularity. You don't need to show your face or even record your voice. AI can generate scripts, voiceovers, and even edit videos. Channels in higher PM niches like personal finance or investing are earning $1,000 to $10,000 per month through ad revenue, affiliate links, and sponsorships. The key here is consistency in choosing topics that people are actively searching for in the US. The third method is selling AI-generated thumbnails. YouTube creators know that thumbnails can make or break a video, and they are willing to pay for high CTR designs. With AI tools, you can create professional thumbnails quickly and sell them for $10 to $50 each. If you land just 10 clients, that can easily turn into $500 or more every month. The fourth method is building AI chatbots for small businesses. Many local businesses in the US want to automate customer support, but don't know how. You can create simple AI chatbots for websites and charge between $100 and $1,000 per project. This is a high-value service, and once you learn it, you can scale it into a full agency. The fifth method is affiliate marketing with AI. You can use AI to create blog posts, YouTube scripts, or social media content that promotes products. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. In higher PM categories like software and finance tools, commissions can be very high, and people are earning $500 to $5,000 per month with this model. The sixth method is AI Voiceover Services. AI voices are now extremely realistic, and many creators and businesses are using them for videos, ads, and audiobooks. You can charge $20 to $200 per project, and since the work is fast, you can handle multiple clients at once and scale your income. The seventh method is AI video editing. Editing used to take hours, but AI tools can now automate most of the process. You can offer video editing services to YouTubers and businesses and charge $50 to $300 per video. This is in high demand, especially with the rise of short-form content like Reels and Shorts. The eighth method is selling AI-generated art and digital products. You can create unique designs and sell them on platforms like Etsy or your own website. Many sellers are making $100 to $1,000 per month in passive income by uploading once and selling repeatedly. The 9th method is blogging with AI for ad revenue. You can create SEO optimized articles in higher PM niches like finance, insurance, and technology. Once your blog gets traffic, you can earn through ads, often making $500 to $5,000 per month, depending on your traffic and niche. The 10th method is offering AI-powered resume and cover letter services. Job seekers in the US are willing to pay for professional resumes that stand out. You can charge $20 to $100 per client, and since AI speeds up the process, you can serve more clients efficiently. Now, if you think these methods are already powerful, the next part is even more interesting, because we're going into advanced strategies that can scale to $10,000 per month and beyond. In higher PM markets, the 11th method is AI, social media management. Businesses want to stay active online, but don't have time to create content daily. You can use AI to generate posts, captions, and schedules, and charge $300 to $2,000 per month per client. With just a few clients, you can build a stable monthly income. The 12th method is AI email marketing services. Companies rely heavily on email campaigns to generate sales. You can use AI to write email sequences and charge $100 to $1,000 per project. In higher PM industries, this service becomes even more valuable because it directly impacts revenue. The 13th method is creating and selling online courses using AI. You can generate course content, outlines, and even scripts with AI tools. Once uploaded, courses can generate passive income of $1,000 to $10,000 per month if marketed correctly. The 14th method is AI translation services. With global businesses expanding, there is a growing need for content translation. You can use AI to translate and refine content, earning $10 to $100 per project, depending on complexity. The 15th method is AI podcast creation. You can create a podcast using AI-generated scripts and voices, then monetize it through sponsorships and ads. Successful podcasts in higher PM niches can earn $500 to $5,000 per month. The 16th method is dropshipping with AI. AI can help you find winning products, create ads, and optimize your store. A successful dropshipping business can generate $1,000 to $10,000 per month, especially in trending US markets. The 17th method is AI script writing for creators. YouTubers and content creators constantly need fresh ideas and scripts. You can charge $20 to $200 per script, and if you work with multiple clients, this can quickly scale. The 18th method is selling digital products like ebooks, templates, and guides created with AI. These products require effort once, but can generate passive income of $100 to $2,000 per month over time. The 19th method is building niche websites using AI. You can create multiple small websites targeting specific keywords in higher PM niches. Each site can generate ad and affiliate income, and together they can bring in $1,000 to $5,000 per month. The 20th and final method is starting your own AI-based agency. Instead of doing the work yourself, you hire others or automate the process and focus on getting clients. Agencies in the US market can scale beyond $10,000 per month if managed correctly. In 2026, the biggest opportunity is not just working harder, but working smarter with AI. The people who take action now are the ones who will dominate higher PM niches and build multiple income streams. You don't need to master all 20 methods. Just pick one, start small, stay consistent, and scale as you grow. The sooner you start, the faster you can turn AI into a real income machine. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Income results are not guaranteed and may vary based on your effort, skills, and market conditions. Always do your own research before starting any online business or financial activity.